What's going on, world? This is Brian coming back with a new video. Today, I'm going to show you a new smart contract called Smart Way Run Forsage. And you're going to learn about that, the compensation plan, and then I'm going to show you a video of me actually signing up. All right?
But first,
they said I need an intro.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Mark Hamlin, and I'd like to introduce you to Forsage. This is a smart contract that gives you the ability to earn fast and furious income with the first ever fully automated decentralized project. We are speaking about you having your best income year ever in 2020 and beyond. Let's get started. So before we get into the money, let's take a look at the innovations that this platform brings to the marketplace. So first of all, we're talking about fast and furious income, ladies and gentlemen, with one team and 24 simultaneous incomes. We're also talking about instant payments direct to your external wallet that no one can touch. Also, automatic, unlimited re-entries with no confirmations needed. The admin cannot touch your funds or change the system. The system is hosted on the blockchain and cannot be hacked. You can get started with as little as 0.05 Ethereum, which is about $10 to $15 one time out of pocket. Partners are incentivized to upgrade fast. There are no deadlines or timetables, and leaders can accelerate their earnings through sponsorships. And finally, you can receive payouts of up to 51.2 Ethereum, that's over $10,000, over and over again. Now, before we get into the money, let's take a look at the fundamentals that make this platform so unique. What does decentralized mean, and what does it give you? Decentralized marketing, ladies and gentlemen, is created on a smart contract that provides you with security and stability. A smart contract is an algorithm inside a cryptocurrency blockchain. In our case, this is Ethereum, the #1 cryptocurrency among those on which it is possible to create smart contracts. Smart contracts, like cryptocurrencies, are decentralized. They will work strictly according to the established program, and no one can change it. They are uploaded to the blockchain network, and their work depends on millions of computers around the world. Therefore, they cannot be attacked. No one can change or crack a smart contract, and no one can stop them. What rules were laid down initially, such will be respected and is unshakable. So what is a smart contract? A smart contract, ladies and gentlemen, is an electronic contract registered in the form of a program code that independently executes the actions laid down in it depending on the given conditions. A smart contract cannot be changed after it's been uploaded to the blockchain network, and a smart contract can perform any operations laid down in it in advance automatically without human intervention. What are the advantages of smart contracts? The main advantage of projects on smart contracts is predefined and unchanged conditions. Anyone can see the code on which the smart contract is written. The code is in the public domain and contains all the conditions and details like any paper contract. The next advantage is validity. A verified smart contract exists as long as the blockchain in which it is loaded exists. And finally, autonomy. Smart contracts do not require intermediaries. All operations between process participants are performed automatically without the participation of an administrator. And as you already know, one of the conditions for a project to work on a smart contract is autonomy and immutability, meaning nothing can be changed. And the role of the administrator is only to write the working conditions of the smart contract and to upload it to the network. Further, the interaction between the participants of this project on a smart contract takes place without the participation of an administrator, and it cannot affect the movement of the money or the Ethereum coins between the participants' wallets, since the contract can only perform predefined functions in its codes and nothing else. Now let's discuss how the money works. Forsage, ladies and gentlemen, is a closed system without deadlines, with a limited number of places and an unlimited number of re-entries. All members have referral links, and new referrals join both programs at the same time. We call the programs X3 and X4. X3 starts with you and 3 members on your first line. X4 starts with you and 2 members on your first line and 4 members on your second line. Now let's discuss how X3 works in detail. When you invite partners, they take places under you. The distribution of payments automatically occurs as follows. The first partner invited by your referral link takes the first place in your slot. A 100% payment is immediately credited to your wallet. The second partner takes the second place below you. A 100% payment goes to your wallet. The third partner takes the third place below you. You again receive a 100% income, but this time in the form of re-entry. Re-entry opens this level again, and you continue to receive income from it as long as new partners join you without you ever needing to go into your pocket again. This 100% payment goes to your sponsor. Now let's discuss upgrading. In order for your income to grow, you need to activate or buy the next level, that is, upgrade. If the next level is not purchased by you, then you will be blocked from earning additional income until you do so. You have already doubled the cost of this level, and the money is in your personal wallet. The choice is yours. Develop a business and earn more, or take the money and watch others earn. Thanks to this rule, most of your partners will upgrade and your business will grow. If you upgrade and buy the next level, then you are qualified to earn more money at the higher level, while the lower previous levels is still earning income for you as you continue to refer new partners. Your partners will follow you. As soon as all 3 places are filled, a re-entry occurs, and 100% of which immediately comes to you. Thus, a chain reaction occurs, and your partners immediately stand under you again. And again, you get paid direct to your wallet. This principle is one of the advantages of decentralized projects. Absolutely all payments go to your wallet, and you never have to worry about withdrawing or confirming funds. The profit is already in your Ethereum wallet. Now let's discuss how the X4 program works in detail. So simultaneously at the same time, while the X3 program is working, the X4 program also works. The first and second partners invited by your referral link take 2 places below you in your first line. A 100% payment goes to your sponsor. You also receive a 100% payment from the 4 partners on your second line. Of these, 3 payments go to your wallet and 1 payment goes for re-entry to your sponsor, thus buying you the same slot again. The upgrade principle is the same as described previously in the X3 program, meaning that if you don't upgrade, your payments will be blocked until you do so. But the great thing about this incentivizes everyone to upgrade and to move through all 12 levels, increasing your income. And also, you only have to upgrade 1 time, ladies and gentlemen. From that point on, it's just a matter of re-entries, which are done automatically. Now let's take a look at a screenshot of the back office. You will notice that both programs have levels that are activated by clicking the shopping carts and making the payments, which is deducted from your Ethereum wallet. Your sponsor will show you how to do this, and we also have videos that will show you as well. Each level is 2 times the cost of the previous level, and as a result, the income and profits from them are twice as high. How many levels can be activated immediately when you first join, you might add? Well, you can open as many levels as you want, and there are no expiration dates. So now let's look at your options for getting started. You can start with a minimum of only 0.05 Ethereum, which is $10 to $15, which will get you started in both programs at level 1. Or you can immediately upgrade to level 2 in both programs for a total of 0.15 Ethereum, which is only $30 to $35 one time out of pocket. But the recommended starting amount is to upgrade to level 3 in both X3 and X4 from the start. The total entry amount will be 0.35 Ethereum, which is only $70 to $75 one time out of pocket. Now, this is a proven working option which creates fast growth. This option is optimal for the majority, so it is highly likely that your partners will also follow you with 3 levels in both programs. This will get you a fast start. Now, there are no timelines or deadlines, and levels repeat automatically from earnings as you bring in new partners in X3 and you and others bring in partners into X4. And as you can see, ladies and gentlemen, all the details are thought out so that the movement is dynamic, revenues are instant, and the principle of decentralization is fully preserved, which is important for long-term development. We believe that concentrating your attention on this business can truly make high incomes a reality for you in 2020 and beyond. So how much can you earn in this platform, you might add? Well, in the X3 program alone, ladies and gentlemen, you can cycle through each one of the levels over and over again without going in your pocket again. We have just one job, and that's just bring the masses, ladies and gentlemen. And you notice that each level doubles as you move forward, and that brings you to 153 Ethereum at level 12, and that can occur over and over again. In the X4 program, you start off with 0.1 Ethereum, and then it doubles to 0.2, then 0.4, etc., etc. Now, in a total full cycle, that's a total of 716 Ethereum, of which your net profit is 511 Ethereum. But here's the thing, that's all. We're just talking about you going through each level just one time. But of course, you're going to cycle through each level over and over again as the community grows and you and I bring more and more members into the platform. So what I want to do is show you in US dollars how much money you actually keep in your pocket as you go through each level. So in the X3 program, each level is going to produce $9 over and over again. On level 2, that's $18. This is the money that you keep even after you upgrade. Then $36, $72, $144, $288, $576, $1152, $2304, $4608, $9216, and $18,432 over and over again. On X4, ladies and gentlemen, that's $13.05 in level 1 over and over again, then $27.54, $108, $216, $534, $864, $1728, $34.56, $69.12, $13,824, and $27,648 over and over again as the community grows, ladies and gentlemen. And remember, you only have to upgrade through each level just one time. We're talking about potentially 24 incomes over and over again with one team. That's why this platform is so powerful. When you begin to crunch the numbers, you begin to see the life-changing fast income that this platform can provide you. And remember, as a builder, ladies and gentlemen, those of you who can bring the masses, ladies and gentlemen, just remember that on X3, every third commission actually goes to you if you're the sponsor. Every time that person cycles it at every single level, that third commission actually goes to you. And in X4, the first 2 commissions go to you and the last commission go to you. So if you're a big builder and you're a leader, ladies and gentlemen, the income that you see is many times the numbers that you're looking on the screen right here. That's why we call this fast and furious income for you and your teams. So with that, ladies and gentlemen, again, this is Fast and Furious Income through Forsage, the smart contract. Get back in contact with the person who invited you to look at this. Get registered right away, and let's do something amazing in 2020 and beyond. Thank you for watching.
All right, what's going on, world? So I'm getting ready to join another smart contract. This one is Smart Way Run Forsage. And so what I've already done, I've already loaded my MetaMask wallet. You need 0.5 Ethereum to join this smart contract. And I sent a little bit extra, so I have almost 0.6 in my wallet. I've already named my wallet. So I have a few wallets here, about 9, so 9 different wallets for different things. So you want to keep those separate and labeled correctly. So I'm on that wallet. Once you have your wallet loaded, you want to come to your sponsor's link. My sponsor is going to be Nate Harris, and this is his link. So let's get the link loaded. All right. This is his link, and let's make sure it's still on that wallet. Yes, it's on that wallet. All right. Just going to click automatic login. Still pulling for that wallet, the Forsage wallet. I'll say connect. Going to click registration. All right. So let's check on this gas fee. It's going to take 73 cents. And I still would have 0.5 to join. So let's go ahead and do that. Once you do that, it's going to forward me to the Etherscan blockchain to check on a transaction. This is my transaction for joining. If I go back to my MetaMask wallet, see the contract is interacting with the smart contract. And it's already confirmed. So now it's 0.0083 left in that wallet. I'll go back over and log in. And now I'm signed up. See how easy that was? So I'm now in two different matrices. Forsage X3 on the first level there, and Forsage X4 I'm in the first level there. My ID is 1537. Let's see. Let's copy that and add that to the wallet. So I know account details. 1537. All right. Affiliate link. I'll copy that and I'll put that in the description of the video. I'll also show you guys the information and compensation plan so you know what's going on with this smart contract. And this is the video of me showing you how easy it is to get signed up. All right. Till next time, guys, take it easy. Have a good one. Thank you for taking the time out of your day to watch my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also click the bell notification so you can be notified whenever I drop a new video about making money. All right. See you guys later.